Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change touchpad sensitivity on your Dell Latitude 7410 laptop. Start by opening the Start menu, then go to Settings. Now in Settings select Bluetooth and Devices and scroll down to your touchpad. Open Touchpad menu, and to change its sensitivity you have to change the cursor speed for your touchpad. So you can either move the slider to the left to decrease your touchpad sensitivity, or to the right to increase it. And the default value is 5. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.